I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off private browsing in Safari on your iMac or MacBook. But before we jump in, you can easily tell if you're in a private window by looking at the address bar at the top of your Safari window. If the address bar is dark gray or black with white text, you are currently in a private browsing window. If it is light gray or white, you are in a standard non-private window. The fastest way to stop browsing privately is simply to close the private window entirely. Step 1. Click the red X icon in the top left corner of the Safari window to close the private window. Step 2. Click the Safari icon in your dock to open a new instance of the browser. It will default to a standard non-private window. If you have multiple windows open and you want to keep your other tabs accessible while switching, just open a new standard window. Step 1. With Safari as your active app, click File in the top menu bar. Step 2. Select New Window. Safari will open a brand new window that is not in private mode. You can now close your private window or just switch back and forth between them as needed. A quick pro tip: if you want to be a power user, stop using the menus entirely and use these two keyboard shortcuts. Shortcut 1. To open a new standard window, just press Command and N. Shortcut 2. If you find yourself frequently using private mode and want to open a private window quickly, press Command plus Shift plus N. Remember, private browsing only affects the specific window you are using. If you have both private and standard windows open, your history will only be saved in the standard windows, and your private window will remain completely isolated. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.